Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make kachumbari or salsa as the Mexican calls it, but Swahili people call it kachumbari. So to start off, we're going to use some onions, tomatoes and coriander. We're going to squeeze some lemon, use ketchup and chili sauce. You can have either the normal chili or the liquid one, any is fine. So first, normally I have some water with some salt just to get the sting out of the onion. I don't know if it's a myth or real, but that's how we do it, so I just do it that way ever since. And also normally I use red onions instead of white onions. Yeah, so I'll just chop the onions up and soak them in the salty water for a bit, or just as I prepare everything else. We'll then chop the tomatoes into small pieces, and then chop the coriander and then mix everything together. At this stage I don't make them that small because I'm literally going to kind of mash them with a knife, so a medium size. Some people choose to blend, which is still fine, but you don't blend it too much, just so you can have some rough edges, but not to a liquid form, just like a quick one just to break it down, but not to make it liquid. Next up, just chop the coriander pieces. Bring in the onions now. Same thing, just chop them into normal small sizes, and then you will still dice them again. I'm just going to separate it because I don't have a big chopping board, so I'll do it in bits. Now off we go with the knife. You chop as you squeeze, so that the juice from the tomatoes can mix up with everything, and the juice from the coriander. Basically just making it into a to release some liquid. This is the point. If you're using green chilies or red chilies, you can still chop them up and put it, but since I have the hot pepper sauce, that's what I'm going to use. So by the way, the tomatoes I used were salad tomatoes, because you want your tomatoes not too ripe and not too raw, so kind of in the middle there, a bit crunchy. Yep, so chop and squeeze the knife in. Normally a street food, by the way. All street foods in Kenya have this, and all the grills we make it for the grills as well. Other variations, you can add avocado into it. I didn't have one, but yeah, you can add avocado and now make it straight up Mexican. Yeah, so I'll just put it in a bowl afterwards and just chop the rest. Oh yeah, squeeze in the lemon. is optional, but I do like the tangy taste. Add ketchup, still optional, you don't have to, but it brings it all together, so when you have it in a spoon, it's like a one thing. And the hot pepper sauce. Mix everything up. Yep. And that's it. You can use it in place of coleslaw. With coleslaw, it goes amazingly well with grilled chicken, grilled fish, fried rice. Yeah, so there you have it. That's the Kenyan kachumbari or Kenyan salsa. Thank you for watching.